Running a restaurant comes with its challenges, and managing cooking oil and fryers is often a key concern. Ever wondered if the ecoFRY environmental service is the right fit for your restaurant? If you face challenges like controlling your high operational costs or environmental concerns, ecoFRY might just be the solution you're looking for. Before ecoFRY, we struggled with frequent oil changes, rising costs, and the impact on the environment. After over 2 years of using their service, ecoFRY has doubled the life of our oil and reduced our closing labor costs in our kitchen. ecoFRY transformed our kitchen. The advanced filtration not only extended the life of our cooking oil but also ensured a consistent and crisp quality in our fried dishes. ecoFRY not only improved our kitchen operations but also aligned with our commitment to sustainability. And ecoFRY saves us money after the cost of their service. It's a win-win-win for us. So, how do you know if ecoFRY environmental service is right for your restaurant? Contact us for a free consultation, and let's explore how ecoFRY can tailor a solution for your restaurant. We offer free demos to restaurants in our supported areas. For further details, go to www.ecofry.ca.